The story of Canada is a rich tapestry woven from the threads of Indigenous cultures, European exploration, diverse immigration, and unyielding wilderness. It begins long before the European settlers arrived, with Indigenous peoples such as the First Nations, Métis, and Inuit inhabiting the land for thousands of years. These groups developed complex societies and rich traditions that were inherently connected to the land. In the late 15th century, European explorers began to arrive. John Cabot, an Italian sailing under the English flag, was one of the first to map parts of Canada's east coast. Jacques Cartier followed in the 16th century, navigating the St. Lawrence River and laying claim to parts of Canada for France, leading to a blend of French and British influences as settlers established communities in New France. The Treaty of Paris in 1763 marked a significant turning point, as it ended the 7 Years' War and ceded French territories in Canada to Britain. The British structured and expanded their colonies, notably creating the Dominion of Canada in 1867 through the Confederation. This confederation united Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia into a single country. Canada's story continued to evolve through the waves of immigration that followed, as people from Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean sought a new life in Canada's open spaces and urban centers. The melding of cultures has given Canada its multicultural reputation. In the late 20th century, notable political developments shaped modern Canada. The patriation of the Constitution from the UK in 1982 included the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, solidifying Canada's commitment to democracy and individual rights. Canada has also become known for its social policies, focusing on universal healthcare and progressive environmental stances. Through all these changes, the relationship with Indigenous peoples has remained a crucial part of Canada's ongoing narrative. Modest steps have been taken towards reconciliation, acknowledging historical injustices and working towards creating equal partnerships. Today, Canada is celebrated for its stability, cultural diversity, picturesque landscapes, and commitment to human rights. Canada epitomizes a nation that continues to grow, celebrate differences, and, most importantly, unite them under one flag. It's a country still defining itself, proud yet humble, and ever evolving in its identity on the global stage.